This is my new LG washing machine, F10B9SD, with a small drum.
And this machine was built in 2015, and inverter direct drive motor had backed up, with a 10-year warranty.
I chose LG F10B9SD with 4 kilograms drum.
But the drum load is 4 kilograms. Well, you can tell the difference from a 5 kilograms washing machine or choose a 4 kilograms washing machine.
The 6 motion means more motion, better care. He has 6 motions like stepping, filtration, rolling, tumbling, swinging, and reverse.
Now this machine had 9 automatic programs, especially baby care, clothes can soil bacteria with 95 degrees.
And you can choose wool cycle duct that give delicate washing to certificate, wool mark.
Also, he had 4 extra options: medic rinse, pre-wash, and iron wrinkles and heavy soiled.
Timer delay, you can put whatever you want.
Model with different spin levels.
You can choose F10B9QD or F12B9LD. You can change temperature degrees or change the spin speeds.
Child lock also needed. It's important to keep washer safe.